Player number one, how are you?
I'm okay.
I'm fine. Hi,
Is this your first time to join the Mr. and Miss Intomiro?
Yes, this is my first time.
Actually, it's not, but it's been 2 years since then, so it's a little nerve-wracking.
That's alright. That is very normal. Now, are you ready for the question and answer portion?
Maybe.
I should be.
But you don't have choice. You are now here. So kailangan bubulot pa tayo ng isa at kailangan sasagutin ang tanong. Isa lang ang bubulot. The question that you have picked is question number 3.
Question number 3. What value do you think is most important in sports? Honesty, teamwork, or respect? Why? I repeat. What value do you think is most important in sports? Honesty, teamwork, or respect? Why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. While teamwork and honesty is crucial, I believe that respect is the most important value in sports. Respect is the foundation of fair play, allowing opponents to compete with each other safely, and allowing opponents to trust each other and for your teammates. Without respect, the game loses its purpose and becomes about winning at any cost rather than a healthy competition. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
If I am going to choose among the three, I choose all of them. Because honesty, teamwork, and respect are like 3 pillars that hold up the spirit of every athlete. If one goes missing, the foundation weakens, and no athlete can truly stand tall. Because honesty keeps the game pure, while teamwork gives us strength, and respect gives meaning to both victory and defeat. As an athlete, I truly believe one is not enough. We should always prepare and equip ourselves with good values, because true greatness is not only solely built in skill, but on values such as honesty, respect, and teamwork that makes every game better and every player greater. And I